step in the repair process. Skilled technicians meticulously wind the rotor to precise specifications, using advanced techniques and high-quality materials. This ensures that the repaired rotor operates optimally, enhancing its performance and reliability.
I always get the difficult. I always get the first bit.
Some of the tooling's a bit tight in other areas.
High-speed balance is another crucial aspect of the repair process. With advanced equipment capable of high-speed balancing, up to 4,150 RPMs, Ethos Energy ensures that any potential vibrations or disturbances are eliminated. This step minimizes wear and tear on the rotor and extends the overall lifespan of the generator. Stator electrical testing is performed to evaluate the electrical integrity. Provides electrical insulation between the coils. By automating the lacing process, this machine ensures uniform and reliable lacing, improving the durability and performance of the motor stator. The final machine in the production line is the stator coil forming machine. This machine shapes the stator coils into the desired form, ensuring they are properly aligned and compacted. This step is essential for optimizing the motor's electromagnetic properties and reducing vibration during operation. By automating the coil forming process, this machine achieves consistent and precise shaping, enhancing the overall efficiency and performance of the motor. The bar is manufactured using state-of-the-art materials and techniques, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. One of the key advantages of State Bar is its enhanced insulation system. It incorporates advanced insulation materials that offer exceptional thermal and electrical insulation properties. This insulation system minimizes the risk of insulation breakdown, preventing potential electrical faults and ensuring the safe and reliable operation of the generator. In addition to rewinding the stator, the project requested an offer for the rotor job as well. The rotor was identified as the root cause of the failure, with issues such as interval jumper problems, fan imbalance, and loose-fitting water pins. The facility supplied new pins and modified the rotor to address these issues. To meet the defined timeline, a considerable workforce was employed. At any given time, there were 50 people working on site and an additional 65 people working on the production line in the coil factory. The production and delivery of the bars were carefully planned, with shipments sent in multiple parts. The initial batch consisted of the bottom bars, which were promptly installed, while the top bars were being manufactured. Interpipe Steel, Ukraine, is considered a benchmark for its environmentally friendly approach among industrial enterprises. The infrastructure of the plant includes a scrap metal yard, a power substation, and a state-of-the-art energy facility that can provide electricity to the entire left bank of Dnipro. The manufacturing process of steel pipes at Interpipe Steel, Ukraine, a modern and environmentally friendly facility, involves several stages to ensure the production of high-quality pipes. It starts with the melting of metal scrap in furnaces, which is then poured into molds and shaped into billets. These billets are subsequently heated and pierced to form hollow shells, which are then elongated and rolled to the desired diameter and thickness. After the initial rolling, the pipes go through various processes such as heat treatment, straightening, and cutting. They are subjected to rigorous quality control inspections at each stage to ensure compliance with industry standards. Additionally, the pipes undergo surface treatment, such as coating or galvanizing, to enhance their corrosion resistance.